Step 1, luring with food. Yes, and treat for being in the position. Step 2, you're going to do the same thing using your hand to get your puppy into the position with luring, but without food in your hand. So this time we're going to put some treats behind our back, ready to reward them when they get in the position, but we're going to not have any treats in our luring hand. Use your hand in the exact same way that you did in step 1. So step 2, luring without food. This is making a hand signal. Yes. Good job. Yes. Good job. Yes. For down, I like to feed a few times so that they learn to stay in that position without hopping up. Awesome. Step 3 is to add the verbal cue. So what we're going to do is say the verbal cue or command just once, have a 1 second gap, and then do our hand signal from step 2. It'll look like this. Monty, sit. Yes. Down. Yes. Good job. Sit. Yes. Good job. Lie down. Yes. Good boy. Well done. Well done. Keep your sessions short and sweet and have fun. It's always a great idea to finish with some play, so let your puppy know we're all done with training and let's go. Good boy. Happy training. Good boy.